A cube-shaped crystal of an alkali metal 1.62 millimeters edge was vaporized in 500 ml flask. The pressure of the resulting vapor was 12.5 millimeters at 802 degrees Celsius. The structure of the solid metal is known to be body-centered cubic structure. What is the atomic radius of the metal in picometers? Atomic radius of the metal in the picometers. Now here, atomic radius comes from edge length. From edge length of the unit cell now. Now, from the volume of the vapor, volume is given to us, so from volume of the vapor, pressure is also given to us, volume of the vapor, then pressure and temperature. These three are given to us. And temperature, we can find number of moles. Number of moles we can find. Now, once you know the number of moles from number of moles, we can find number of unit cells. We can find number of unit cells. From number of unit cells, we can find volume of each unit cell. You can find volume of each unit cell. Because total volume of crystal is given. Because total volume of crystal can be known from edge length, from the crystal edge. So total can know the volume of each unit cell. From the volume of unit cell, we can know the radius. Now this is a way to solve. These are the steps which you are following to solve the problem. Now, let us first calculate number of moles of metal vapor now. Number of moles of metal vapor. Number of moles means PV by RT only. PV by RT must be used. And all the values are given to us. So which is equal to 12.5 by 760. 12.5 mm is given. You should take in atmosphere, so dividing by 760 there. 0.5 in liters we have taken. By R value 0.0821. Temperature is given as 802, which comes to 1075 Kelvin. Simplification, we get the value as 9.33 10 power minus 5. This many moles are there. Now total number of atoms, this many moles of metal vapor. Now total number of metal atoms. We know the moles. So moles into Avogadro's number. Moles into Avogadro's number. That is 9.33 10 power minus 5 into 6.02 10 power 23, which is equal to, it's coming to 5.62 10 power 19. 10 to the power, so many number of atoms are there now. Now, it is BCC structure. So for BCC, number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 2. And we know the total number of atoms. We know the number of atoms per unit cell. Means we can find out the number of unit cells now. Therefore, number of unit cells is equal to total number of the atoms by atoms per unit cell. Means 5.62 10 power 19 we got, dividing by 2, which is equal to 2.81 10 to the power of 19 unit cells are there. Now we require total volume of the crystal we require now. Total volume of crystal, which is equal to A cube, which is equal to 1.62 mm is given. So I can take it as 1.62 into 0.1 whole cube, so that the crystal volume comes in centimeter cube then. Now we require volume of 1 unit cell now. Now volume of 1 unit cell. So total volume of the entire crystal by number of unit cells. Total volume by number of unit cells. Total volume is equal to 1.62 into 0.1 whole cube by number of unit cells, 2.81 10 to the power of 19. This on simplification, finally you will be getting 1.513 10 raised to minus 22. So many centimeter cube is the volume of each unit cell now. So we know the volume of one cell. Then comes edge length is equal to. Now edge length of unit cell is to be equal to cube root of this, because volume is equal to A cube. Therefore we require edge length A is required. So cube root of, so there is 1.513 10 to the power of minus 22 whole to the power of 1 by 3. This value on further simplification, it will be giving us 5.32 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters, and this can be taken as 5:32 p.m. picometers. Now R is equal to, we're asking radius, so R is equal to root 3 by 4 into A. Root 3 by 4 into A. This value comes to 230. Already we have done A is there. Root 3 by 4 we need to calculate now. So 230 has to come. So this is the answer for this. Okay.